Ya, tu head coach Mr. Samra Lui, trainer Mr. Buka, the physio, Mr. Mukung, the captain Wise, and my brothers. We love you guys. We support you through and through. With all my heart and my family, and I know that we should support you. All the best this next game. Play as a team, love each other, give all your best for our God and for our country. And we know that you have everything that can create history the next game.
Thank you, Mbulabin Nakabiti, and to the Fiji Water Flying Fijians. I'm here with the Highland Kiddos, and here I have my brother from the Highlands of Serua. And Pati, who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Big Bill, William Mata, number 8.
And what is your message to the boys and to William Mata himself?
My message to the boys is to forget about the first game and learn from the mistake.
And the last question is, what is your expectation?
My expectation is for them to put up a good game this Monday morning. Thank you.
Thank you, Pati. And I have my friend from the Highlands of
My boys,
Sope, who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Ocean Aguilera.
And what is your message to the boys against Australia?
Go Fiji, go. My boys,
Do their best. Forget about the last game, and God will do the rest.
Your expectation?
Australia is not a very easy team to go against. So all the best wishes to the boys. They can defeat Australia.
Thank you. And here, my last brother here from the Highlands of Nabosa. And Verasa, who is your favorite player?
Vinaya Hambusi.
And what is your message to the boys and Vinaya Hambusi himself?
Toso, we are here supporting you all the way.
Thank you. And what is your expectation?
This weekend we are expecting nothing but a win. Yeah, we are supporting Toso.
From us to you.
Toso, go Fiji, go.
Okay, the Fiji team played very good. The message for them is that they need to improve, not make fumble or penalties. That's the only thing. Otherwise, they are perfect. Play hard and do proper passing, nothing else.
Ayo nunggu raya tu perform binaka. Waktu tu sama nggak sarili lihat nunggu ni gini lomai. Kau mi half time nggak sambil. Second half sambil ni lomai. 20 minutes angin ni lomai sambil. Kau kali lelai sarang.
Kita pernah nemu itu ni bakal ngangkat ke bertemu terko pakai nama ta.
Sama iya. Sama rim na norto gitu ya merto keep it up norto wartakan tinggi.
Yeah, we were in the bus when we were watching the game.
How's Fiji performance?
Oh, the performance was good, but like the boys can do better, but they did their best. It was good. It was really good. Keep making us proud. You guys are doing good, and yeah, all the best for your next game.
Tipo, yun na po siya mahal. Kaya lo ka. Sa chusara rin nambon. Mata. Ano nung gusto dyan gusto mo. Oh, ni muito nito lang daw Wallabies na betul sa timur. Berkat po nang gitu sa uto. Sambo mo betul. Hindi nito ka. Nito gitu na. Kini bata hindi nakata na urusan gitu.
Aundo na daw kita talitek taon do be yawo way siya na dalew. Batembe kanino ngu tawbu na kay serwa. Andor kanu daw fentay koya. Kona kapitan sarto nga ni tim ni Fiji. Payaw ker tu nga bikim daw na dorbo na tim ni Fiji. Awas si bonong taw, turang taw. Awas siya na dalew. Ang daw fentay ko baka lew. Ker num daw sa bat kina Wallabies ngo. Ker mo daw bitak na Wallabies. Pinaka.